Good morning, South St. Paul students. It's Friday, May 29th, and I just wanted to um, make a few comments about what's happening in the Twin Cities area right now and make myself available for anybody that wants to talk or has questions that I probably can't answer, but I definitely would love to lend an ear to any student who needs someone to listen. So just like everybody else, I saw what happened to George Floyd. The video was disturbing. As a father and a husband and a teacher and a son and a brother, it was heartbreaking to watch. And all we can hope for is that justice is served and the family can find peace. Any time an innocent person is killed, it's a tragedy, and this is just another what seems like too many tragedies. Watching what's happening in the Twin Cities has been difficult. It's been incredibly saddening and uncomfortable for a lot of people. The only it's really not my place to tell anybody how to feel about it. Uh, it's appropriate for me to listen, and that's really about it. Uh, Not to state the obvious, but I don't know what it's like to live as a person of color. And this is an appropriate time for people like me to withhold judgment and listen first. I don't think that we do that often enough. I will say one thing that's been a positive, and that is if you watch the aftermath of the rioters, there are always hundreds of people there who are cleaning up. I saw one image, it brought tears to my eyes, of a kid. He was about 12 years old, about my son's age, wearing a mask, black kid, he had a garbage bag, and he was cleaning up the streets of his community. That, to me, was the most impressive thing that I've seen. And there are plenty of people that we're not going to see, most likely, that are following after and cleaning up and trying to take care of these places while at the same time be understanding and certainly not judging how people are feeling about what's taking place. If anybody wants to talk, I am certainly available. God bless. Go Pack.